He's still scoreless so far in this one. There's 1:17 left in the first quarter. Feeds it to Amina. It's hauled in by San Diego. To the middle. And he gets the basket. Officials blowing the whistle, so a chance at the line for one more.
Attacking the rack to great effect.
San Diego shooting their third free throw shot of the game. Turner no good on the free throw. Toronto trails by 6. Hazonia on the wing. Turner covering. Hazonia kicks to McConnell. Outside Butler. Clock at 6. Over Holiday. Off the left rim and out. San Diego leading by 6. That falls. Nice feed that time. And here's Holiday. All fueled up and ready to go. Let's reset the lineups courtesy of Gatorade as the second quarter gets going. Taking a look at San Diego. OG Anunoby is out there with Daniel Tice. Then it's Evan Turner. Then it's Ricky Rubio. And it's Holiday in at the 2-guard. Butler, no good. San Diego shooting 55% from the floor. They're feeling very confident offensively. Holiday with it. Can't recover. And he blocked it and deflects off the backboard. Toronto trails by 6. And now, here's Hazonia. No points in the game yet for him. Second shot opportunity. And scoring with the play inside is Cantor.
And usually amongst the leaders in their offensive.
Irving with the ball. They've got Ennis Cantor. Markieff Morris is out there with Jimmy Butler. Then there's Kelly Oubre. And it's Russell in at the point guard. That's Nick Nurse's 5 as we get into the second half. And oh boy, a lot of contact there, but he gets the call and will shoot 2. It's on Kelly Oubre.
Improving so much since his rookie season. I can't wait to see the next step LeVert makes in his career.
And he sinks the second. And so it's Russell with it. He brings it up for Toronto, trailing by 13. Yep, that one goes in there.
Attention to detail is what's helped Russell.
Taking a look at San Diego. Ricky Rubio is out there with Irving. Then there's Daniel Tice. Then it's Aaron Baines. And it's LeVert in at the small forward. Here's Rubio. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials on the call with the foul.
Oh, that's not a great foul. For Rubio's career, shoots well over 80% from the line.
And so Ricky Rubio nails both of them. 40 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Wanamaker looking over the floor. Pass to Mikhailuk. Off target from 3-point range.
Uncontested look. Can't fault the shot selection. He's money from there.
Rubio, the pass to a 1-2. Here's Tice. Rubio right side. Just 5 on the clock. San Diego with another miss. So San Diego wins it. A pretty good feeling right now for them to be out front like this in the series.
You know, Kevin, momentum is so critical. And you know they'll want to ride this wave into game 2.
And now let's catch up with David Aldridge, who's standing by from the sideline. All right, Dave.
Hey, thank you, Kevin. Kyrie, very few can match your offensive creativity. So how do you integrate that into the team system?
Starts in our practice. Starts with our practice habits and our swing actions. Practice with a purpose. You know, whether it's shoot-arounds or walking, we're starting to show progress right there and just get back to what we know, and that's executing on both ends of the floor and trust him.
Well, the ball was certainly moving tonight, man. Congrats on the win. Kevin?
All right, David, great job. Thanks so much. It's time for us to say so long. We hope you've enjoyed our coverage during the second round of the NBA Eastern Conference Playoffs. Now, for Greg Anthony, Steve Smith, and David Allman, this is Kevin Harlan. Thanks for watching the NBA here on 2K Sports.